Hello people, today we are dealing with the plant Parijata. As you know, Parijata has many mythological stories based on its origin, and it is usually planted as a garden plant in the boundary of the house or in the fence region. And it comes under a non-detailed section. Now let's start with the drug Parijata. Coming to the basonym of the drug Parijata goes like Paramasya Sthiti Pari Samudras Tasmat Jatah Samudramantana Kale Tat Garbha Jatatvat Tatatvam, means that Parijata has been originated during Samudramantana Kala. Coming to the Latin name of Parijata, it is Nyctanthus arborestritis. In this, the genus name is Nyctanthus and the species name is arborestritis. The genus name Nyctanthus, if we divide it, it is into Nyct and Anthus. Nyct means night and Anthus means flowering. Nyctanthus means flowering at night. And the species name arborestritis, again arbor means tree and stritis means weeping. Now if you see the plant, it appears as if the flowers are dropping like that of the tears. Hence it is arborestritis. Hence the Latin name is Nyctanthus arborestritis. The family name is Oleaceae. Synonyms are divided as based on the habitat and other synonyms. Based on the habitat, the synonyms are Karapatraka and Ragapushpi. And the other synonym is Shefalika. Karapatraka, that is Karasparshavanti Patrani Asya. The leaves of the Parijata are rough to touch. And Ragapushpi, the Ragavanti Pushpani Asya. The corolla tube of Parijata will be orange in color. Hence it is Ragapushpi. Then the other synonym is Shefalika, which means the honeybees like the plant, so they are found mostly near this plant, hence it is called as Shefalika. Coming to the Kula, Parijata belongs to Parijata Kula. Vernacular names, in English it is coral jasmine, in Hindi Parja, in Kannada Parijata, in Malayalam Parijatam and in Marathi Prajakta. Ganavargikarana, it is not included in Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita and in Bhava Prakasha Nigantu. It is not included in any of this. Coming to chemical constituents, leaves contain nyctanthic acid, tannic acid, methyl salicylate, mannitol and herbicides. The seed consists arbutisticide A, B, D and E. Then flowers contain nyctanthin, D-mannitol, tannin, etc. Coming to the habitat, it is cultivated in gardens throughout India, and if you see the morphology, first its habit, it is a large shrub or a small tree and it will grow more than 15 feet in height, and the color of the bark will be grey or greenish white. It will be rough in texture and the branches are quadrangular strigous. Now if we see the leaves are simple and they are opposite and they are having acute or acuminate tips. And they are ovate and scrabous above with short bulbous hairs. They are hairy, the leaves are hairy and they are densely pubescent. In the undersurface, they are more hairy. You can see having hair-like projection and they are rough to touch. Then the flowers are small white with bright orange corolla tubes, and in each inflorescence like head there will be 3 to 7 flowers. Then the fruits are capsules that are compressed and they separate into 2 one-seeded segments. The part used in this plant is mainly the patra, pushpa and bija, that is leaves, flowers and the seeds. Coming to the Rasa Panchaka, Rasa is Tikta, Guna is Lagu Ruksha and Vipaka is Katu Vipaka and Ushna Virya. So the dosha karma is Vata Kapha Shamaka. It is Vatahara because of its Ushna Virya, and it is Kapha Shamaka because of Katu Vipaka, Tikta Rasa and Ushna Virya. Hence it is Vata Kapha Shamaka in dosha karma. Then karma, it is Gridrasi Nashaka, Krimigna, Jirna Jwarahara, Yakrit Rogahara, Pliha Roga Nashaka. And Rogagnata is Gridrasi, Vata Roga, Krimi, Jirna Jwara, Yakrit Roga and Pliha Roga. The pharmacological actions of Nyctanthus arbostritis is it acts as a CNS depressant, hypotensive, tranquilizing agent, then antipyretic action it has, and it also has purgative, anti-inflammatory, laxative and antispasmodic action. Then Amayika Prayoga, the therapeutic administration. First, in case of Prameha, especially Udaka Meha, Parijata Patra Kashaya is given as a oral administration. Then in case of Gridrasi, the Pana of the Parijata Patra Kashaya is to be done. This Parijata Patra Kashaya has to be prepared on Mridu Agni, that is mild fire. Then dose or the matra, if it is prepared into Kwata, then 50 to 100 ml is given. If Swarasa is to be given, then 10 to 20 ml is given. Churna 1 to 3 grams. Then the different yogas are Parijata Kwata, it is indicated in Gridrasi. Then Nashta Pushpantaka Rasa, that is indicated in Nashtartava Yonishul. Shanka Pushpitaila is indicated in Balaroga. The drug Parijata has a controversy, like it has synonym Shefalika, which is also a synonym of the drug Harenu or Renuka. Both Parijata and this drug have similar function. Hence this controversy. And the word Parijata is also a synonym for the drugs Paribhadra, Rohitaka, Tejavati, Nirgundi. And that's it for Parijata, and see you soon.